What is going on? Listen, on the way out to this campsite, I stopped at Wally World for, a few supplies and stuff. And, I'm always on the lookout to see what they've got and something new, anything interesting in camp cooking, camping, what have you. So something did catch my eye. Now, a little backstory. There is a grill called the Nomad, and it's online. It was a GoFundMe kind of a thing, and they're extremely proud of this grill. Like $599, $699, depending on whether you're buying it retail or you got the GoFundMe anyways. But that grill is just one of these situations right here that I found today is basically one of those suitcase style grills. The catch is this one is going to be $59, regular price at $69, which means you could buy 10 of these for the price of that Nomad grill. And I don't know what kind of features you can build something with that's worth 10 times more than something that's probably going to do about the same thing. But let's dig into this one a little bit and take a look at what's going on. Like I said, this is going to be one of those suitcase style grills. There's a latch in the front. Nice big handles to carry it around with, hinged in the back. This unit right here on the outside, we're looking at about 19 inches across, like 13 inches front to back, and you're looking at about 9 inches tall. Like I said, this thing is 17 pounds. So it's not incredibly heavy, but it's got a little heft to it. So let's crack this open and take a peek. So like I said, there's this latch right here on the front. Open the latch. And what happens is this thing folds open just like this. So once you're open, you're looking at about 26.5 inches by, again, about 19 inches. They tell me this is 442 square inches. So each side is going to be 220, 221, whatever it takes. But what I really liked about these grills was they have a little pinch right here, and they clip off and they clip on, so that when you open and close this grill like this, they don't flop everywhere. What they've done inside is they're just using stamped steel, steel grates, but they have ceramic coated everything that's inside of here. Like I said, that one's going to come off. Okay, so why would you want to take these off anyways? What you have right here is a 442 square charcoal grill. Now, let's say you don't even need all that room. You take that grate out, charcoal up this side, you fire up this side, and now you've got a lid. And with this condition comes a little bit of a smoking feature. So on this side here, and both of the side here and the top are little slots that control your air hole. So there's a little knob on there, and you're just going to slide it back and forth, and it's going to increase your airflow through your bottom. It's going to increase your airflow on what's going on top. So realistically, get a bunch of charcoal, maybe a chunk of wood, pile it over in one corner, throw some food in here, set your vents just right, close the lid. Bob's your uncle. You're smoking, just in this little unit right here. Some of the general things I'm noticing, really hard plastic over like redundant handle so it doesn't really break. For some reason it does. It's probably replaceable. It's just two giant screws. That's what I really liked about this unit was, even back here. I mean, this piano hinge runs the entire length of this unit right here, and it is really pretty sturdy, both in and out. The way it's connected, it's on a double ridge screw-in plate right there. That's behind each side of this. So everything's real sturdy. Like I said, chances are I'm probably going to use it more as a charcoal grill on one side, maybe do a little smoking, and, have the ability to close the lid. Maybe I'm out. I got a bunch of people with me. We got some burgers. We got some buns. Maybe you want to grill some corn up. Maybe you just got really big chicken breasts on the grill. You want to throw a couple racks of ribs in here and really try it as a smoker, you're good to go. This grill, available at your local Walmart. I appreciate you. Y'all take it easy.